I cannot tell you how nice this is. My goodness. It's sweet. It's got the taste of vanilla. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be making some breakfast. Something simple that'll take you about 5 minutes. 2 minutes preparation, so that puts you at about 7 minutes, and you'll have breakfast ready for everybody. We are making cinnamon French toast with some vanilla, peanut butter topping, banana, and maple syrup. If you guys do enjoy the content, remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram for more information regarding the upcoming videos in the future. And that's it, let's get to cooking. Okay, starting off, grab our big stainless steel bowl, 3 large eggs, and we'll add about a pinch of nutmeg if you have, cinnamon, and some vanilla essence. So I don't really know much about French toast, but I've been making it for quite some time. It's a very delicious meal, it's quick to make, and I think it's pretty healthy and wholesome at the same time. Okay, let's go in with our cinnamon. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon to our mixing bowl, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, and you're going to add a little pinch of salt just to take away that egginess, that raw egg smell from the eggs. Okay, now on, we'll grab some milk. Some normal full cream milk. You could use low fat milk, it doesn't really matter that much. It might just make it a little bit less fluffy than normal. So add about 4 tablespoons of milk. There we go. Let's grab our whisk. Let's give it a nice mix through. You don't want any lumps of yolk or anything inside the mixture. You want a nice consistent color all the way through. I can't even explain the smell, it's so good. It smells almost like vanilla custard, actually. It smells so good. You can get whiffs of the cinnamon, the vanilla essence. I think when we top it off with some peanut butter and banana, it'll be absolutely amazing. Okay, there we go. You can see the nice consistency all the way through. There's no yellow pieces of the yolk left. Okay, we'll put this to the side, get our pan on medium heat on the stove, and then we'll start dipping our bread and then cut our bananas in the meanwhile. Okay, get the heat going, butter in. Now the butter will give it a nice creamy taste. I prefer it to the olive oil, and the olive oil might burn the egg a little bit when it gets too hot because it's got a very low heating point. Well, smoking point, the olive oil, so that's why it's ideal for dressings and stuff, but we'll stick with the butter. Moving on, let's give a last bit of a mix to our egg mixture before we add our first slice of bread. So, you can use which bread you want, French loaf, bruschetta, anything. I'm just using some normal white bread. Dip it in there. So, people say you must just dip it in and not let it soak up. I like a bit of a thicker texture on the French toast, so there we go. So when it looks like this, you can feel it gets nice and spongy. We will add it to our pan. Low heat, nice and slow. Okay, flipped over. Let's give it 30 seconds and we'll move on to the rest of the French toast and then start with our serving. Okay, there we go. Our French toast is all done. Let's have a look at them. This side's a little bit undercooked. I left it like that in terms of the video, so you can see it gets a bit too soggy. You have to leave it in until it gets a nice brown, spongy consistency like this. Right, let's stack these up. This is still edible, it's fine. We'll stack them up and then get to mixing while adding our toppings. Let's grab one whole banana, slice it into as thin as possible slices as you can. Okay, move our bananas to the side. Right. Bring our delicious French toast on over. And we have beautiful crunchy peanut butter. Now, what you could do is you could mix some cream into it, put it in the microwave, heat it up a little bit, mix it through so it gets nice and thick again, get a better consistency. It'll make it a bit sweeter as well. But considering that this is going to do this in 5 minutes, let's just grab some of the peanut butter here and start spreading it generously on the top. Okay, peanut butter's on. Let's start adding our bananas. And now, for the best part, we're going to add some maple syrup over the top. Add it to your own specific sweetness that you want. I like quite a bit of maple syrup. I wouldn't normally eat this for breakfast all the time. I might get obese and die, but yeah, we'll add a generous amount of maple syrup and then we'll go ahead and give it a taste. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead now and give it a bite. Look at the delicious melted peanut butter, banana, everything, all in one place. Grab some of the banana, peanut butter, and the bread. Cheers! I cannot tell you how nice this is. My goodness. It's sweet, it's got the taste of vanilla, cinnamon, the delicious maple syrup, banana and melted peanut butter. It's absolutely amazing. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram for more info on future videos. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.